merchant and his sons. Let's get into the story. A rich merchant lived in a village with his 7 sons. The 7 sons were always quarreling with each other. One day, the merchant called together all his sons. 7 bundles of sticks were lying by his side. The merchant said to them, "All of you are very proud of your strength. Today I want to test your strength." The eldest son came forward and said, "We are indeed powerful." "Then break this bundle of sticks," challenged the merchant. The eldest son used all his strength to break the bundle, but he was not able to do so. Then the merchant asked his other son to break the bundles of sticks. They too tried their best but were unsuccessful. Observing this, the merchant ordered, "Now untie the bundles and break the sticks one by one." The sons were able to break the sticks very easily this time. They understood the strength of unity. Moral: united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you. Check out my previous videos in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye.